Hello everyone, this is lesson number 6 from your grammar book, Articles. Before starting the lesson, I want you to read these sentences. The teacher wants book. Which book? You don't know. There was man in car. Which man? Which car? These sentences, if these sentences we cannot understand who or what we are talking about which book, about which man, which car, how many book, which type of car. So if we use articles in these sentences, it makes clear that which book is wanted, any specific book or book in general, which man or which car, any specific car we are talking about or general car we are talking about. So it is important to use articles in the sentences. We get to know more about the nouns. Nouns like book. We get to know more about the noun book over here if we use article before this. If we use article before man or car, we get to know more about the nouns book, man, car. So articles are special words that modifies noun. You can say it is an adjective which defines noun, which tells us more about noun. So articles are words that are used before nouns. It clarifies noun, defines noun, tells us more about noun. The articles that we use are a and the. These are the three articles which are used before nouns to tell us more about noun. Now articles are of two types, definite and indefinite. Definite articles shows uniqueness or specific things. It shows specific things, and indefinite articles shows things in general. In definite articles, what is the definite articles? The is a definite article and a and an are indefinite articles. I will show you with example. Suppose there is a group of apple. This is a group of apple, as you all can see. Now, if you are given a choice to eat an apple from the group and you want to eat any apple from the group. So, what you will say? I want to eat an apple from the group. So here you are talking about any apple. So you are talking about apple in general. So you are using an. But if you choose to eat the first apple from the group, you will say Now here, if you want to eat the first apple, you will say I want to eat the apple which is at first position from the group, because you are talking about the specific apple. You're not talking about the apples in general. So for specific things we use the. That you specify clearly, you use the. For things when you're talking about in general, you use a or an. Now we'll learn about where to use a and where to use an, and then we'll learn about the rules of using the in the sentences. I hope this is clear. Now we'll learn about the use of articles a and an. This you have been studying since standard 1. What are vowels? They are a, e, I, o and u. And what are consonants? The alphabets that are not vowels are consonants. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Normally, we use an before the vowels. Vowels are A, E, I, O, U. The words that starts with these letters we use an, and we use a before the letters, before the words, before the nouns that start with the consonants. But children, there are some vowels, there are vowel sounds that is to be kept in mind. Because sometimes what happens, suppose there is a word hour. Here H is silent. Here H is silent. This word starts with H, but we use an before it. Why? Because H is silent and the sound is vowel sound. Hour. We are pronouncing it with hour. Our R. R is a vowel sound. What are the vowel sounds? A. Suppose you are in bag. Air. Air is the vowel sound. So any word that starts with this sound, air, you will use an. N. Air. This is a vowel sound. So any word starting with air are the vowel sounds. In. E. This is the vowel sound. Now, dog. O. O is a vowel sound. This is we say bug. Ugh. Is a vowel sound. So umbrella. In umbrella starts with a. So we use an umbrella. But in university, when we are writing word university, we don't use vowel. We don't use an, we use a, because university is not a vowel sound. U is not a vowel sound. It is a Y sound. So university we don't use an. In umbrella we use an because a is a vowel sound. A, E, O, A. These are the vowel sounds that you have to keep in mind when you use the articles a and an. You have to keep in mind that whether this word is starting with the vowel sound or not. If it is not starting with these vowel sounds, then you will put a, and if the words are starting with vowel sounds, some exceptions are there. As you can see, this is starting with H, but we use an because the vowel sound A is there. O is there. So, A is there. So, so we are using an over here. Umbrella. Umbrella is starting with the vowel sound. So, we are using an. university is not starting with the vowel sound. So we are using a before that. I hope this is clear, children. You will get to know the vowel sound. You have learned this in your lower KG and nursery. Add, n, in, og, ug. So these are the vowel sounds. A, n, in, o, a. These are the vowel sounds. I hope this is clear. Complete this assignment in your grammar copy.